If you want to hard reset your Xiaomi 15 Ultra by using the recovery mode, then first of all we need to turn off our phone. To do that, we can press power button and volume up. Just press both of these buttons at the same time to open the power menu and then swipe up to power off. Once the phone is off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and we need to hold it until we see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, just hold the volume up button. So let's start. Press and hold power button and volume up. And now just volume up. And keep holding it until you see the recovery mode. There we go. We are now in the recovery mode, and here we can navigate by using volume buttons. So essentially you want to choose wipe data and confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then once again go to wipe all data in order to perform the factory reset by using the recovery mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.